Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the UberChill XL mini fridge. You can get this product on Amazon for about $70. Check out the link in the description. The mini fridge has a capacity of 9 liters and holds up to 12 12-ounce cans or 9 500ml bottles. It has a built-in AC/DC transformer and you can use it as a portable mini warmer and cooler. The mini fridge is very easy to use and it has a very nice retro look. You can easily switch between the cooling and the warming mode. Unfortunately, my mini fridge came with a few scratches, even though the packaging was pretty good. I tested the mini fridge for about a week and I think it's a very nice product. It's a little bit too noisy for my taste, so I can't use it in the bedroom, but it works great in my office. So if you're looking for a not too expensive but good looking mini fridge, which also has warming mode and works in your car too, I would recommend the UberChill XL mini fridge. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.